Hello, hello, trader. Here's today. I'm show you one thing that can uh, can make you uh, profit in the forex trading or stock trading. So I think that most of the trader they always show like this, but what as I observed it on only candles, the candlesticks. Yeah. So uh, it is true when you're beginning of trading, you have to check up time. For example, you want to trade in 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You have to check 4 hours at least. So you have to know that what kind of the trend, what kind of trend, and it's also the traders mostly you have to know about swing high and swing lows. Example, uh, example, this is a swing high, this is a swing low. So you will know the target of the swing. So every swing highs and buy sign and also sell sign, yeah, sell sign here. So every market is also affect with the previous one too. It is like the present time and present time. It also affect from the previous one also and also previous right. So the traders, when you trade here and you're looking for here, for example here, it's already happened. So you have to take a look for for the previous one. So example now the price is sweep. I mean the sweep low or the flash low, very low here. So what is going on in this area? You have to know some of the basic that oh this is like uh, sweep low. I mean sweep low to clean. So when you have buy or when you have sell, you have to careful because this is already break of structures. This areas and also already break. Yeah, this area break. So when the breaks, when the market also already breaks here, one candle, very low long. Every time breaks, the price have to push up, push up. You see here, push up, and also above this one, above this one, because this is all bright ones, and also uh, mostly the price when make lows, and then the price have to make another low here. Yeah, it is natural, and then to break this area, yeah, to break this area. But instead of break low, the price make new highs. I mean new high and new high here to break this area. So why the price to break this area and then back again? You see here, in back because the price is to retest all resistance around here because this area is very strong candles, very strong supply. So the price have to be back. Yeah, have to be back here. So the price be back, and then opportunity for sale. So meanwhile, the price make low. Example, the price makes low. So what I'm going to tell you is that this price, that's so amazing. Okay, so this one is low. You can observe this, very low. This one is not break, new low, new high. So please take a look. And also finally the price break, like I tell you, break here, goes up, and the break this also break of structures this also, and to retest all supply here. This is the all supply, and then the price back again because that is the strong supply, or we can say OB. The price OB here very strong because it's candle here. Yeah. And then the price bearish back, so it's still back. So meanwhile we have taken out already this area is of It's also demand. We can say demand. And we can say demand. Or we can say FVG, field value. It depends on you say. Or we can say sweep. Sweep, but have the meaning because of sweep, because it effect from the previous price. It prepares to retest of support, because to take all support here, but we don't mention, and then the price have to put up very strong here. So when the price puts up very strong, and then the price theory tests all supply, I mean the supply, all supply. So meanwhile, the price play as like flip, yes, the flip pattern here. If the price goes down and to retest of support, if the price goes up to retest resistance, if the price goes down to retest support, if the price goes up resistance. So this one is already breached. Why? Because this candle, three candle, is they are build equities around here. One candle, two candle, three candle. Okay, let me check a picture again. Okay, this one now we talk here. This one's support. The one or support. Why? Because the price make like this and break and back. FVG and back and back. FVG and break. Now finally break here. You see here? Everyone stares at break and then bears down and goes up, make new high. Break and then goes down and then moves up. So these areas it become after, we can say, equity. Yes, equity. Because why? Because the price make new high, high will high, high will high, high will high, and high will low, high will low, high will low. These areas is equity. Yeah, these areas is equity. So when the price below liquidities like this, make highs like this, and fair break, example fair break like this, no break. So the price is very strong. So the price here, why the price back again? Yeah, because this area is OB. OB is very strong. Or we can say Fibonacci is important. This one is 100. This one 100. This one is zeros percent. Yeah. So okay, let me do again. Okay. This one it zeros percent of Fibonacci. This one into 100. Sorry. OB. Yeah. So the Fibonacci just like 15%, 23%, and also 38% and 50% and 61%, 79%, 88%, and also this is 100%. Yeah. So this is just like here, like location. So when the price is already 83% here around here. So what is the market going on? The price, if the price have to break like this, but it's have to build come back again to make the powers to build down security. So the price will come back. Example, this one is price high. So that is opportunity for sale. The trader have to look for sale because why? Because The price is already built a pattern and then come back again. So when the price come back again down, you see here. So when the price backs, it to retest down supply. So this areas it become of the demand, strong demand, strong demand. So in strong demand have their liquidity. So anyway, example when the price goes up like this and to retest resistance. So when it come back again, two one to retest supply. So these areas it can we can say flip. So what happened? It become of the strong supply and become of the flip killing soon here, killing soon. So the price we play example plays new high. So next one, if the price not break like this, it will be fell and where is down. It depends on the situation. Yeah. So what I'm want to help you and traders, I'm looking for like 30 minute, a 30 minute. I'm looking for a 30 minute. Okay. At the moment, we let's talk out here. 30 minute, the swing high. That also swing low. Yeah, swing high and also swing low. This is a break that we said at the moment. Yes, breakout structure. This is also breakout structures. And yeah, and also this one chain writers. So the price will come back again. Yeah, come back to the test all supply, all support, demand. Demand around here is this demand. So in demand we have much of detail around here. We have much detail. So I will talk here. I will explain here. But let me show you a little about this. So price make highs. So every example the price break here, and then the price make low. So when the price make lows in test spot, and then the price make another new high. So when the price come back again, do the price why the price not break new low? Yeah, why the price not make new low and only like this and then break high? This is the question. The answer is because of break here. I mean B. This is also B. Yeah, B, and also this is OB. The price is want to go here, but it fell. Why? Because there's a strong up block of structures. So the price could not go. So the price will come back again to build down equity here. The price bears down to build their equity to have the powers enough and to have sweep. I mean to have sweep downs and to have strong, pure, and then to build their another equities and then push up to break this OB. And when the price break this OB already, and then what happened? It still have another supply here around here. So the price have to build down liquidity and go step by step like this. Yeah, this is the way for beginner have to trade with the price action. So let's talk with a 15 minute. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute. 15 minutes. At 4 hours, we say well 4 hours. This is a sweep price. We can say sweep 4 hours sweep. But when we are talk clear that it is. We talking about this. This is a breakout texture that again. This is a swing lows. We can say sell size liquidity. And also this is okay. Now we forget it. We talk only here. So side we OB here. Yeah, OB here. And when the price come back again, okay, is important. This is 100% again. And then this is your zero lines and zeros of Fibonacci. So the price bearish down for how much? It's about at least 88. At least 14 of Fibonacci here around here. Here, hello traders. One again. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that this is that I set up, and I'm looking for the the goals that's it's not break. You see here, this OB, yeah, OB's market. So why is oh, how do we know that is OB? Because that is the previous laws. Example uh, like this, and sweep lows, and the price move up, and this and then push down. So withdraw here's low. If the price not breaks like this, so it become up low. How do we know? Because this areas you see here is not just a break, a little break, and then to retest OB. After retest OB, the price it came down here and make the swing highs. Meanwhile, the swing high here OB mean OB break of structures, and then the price could not win this area also supply, and then the price have to build down support equity. So this candle is become of the main demand. I mean very strong support, very strong support. So you see here the red candle here, you see the red candle, yeah, red candles after push up and then back down to retest one candle. After retest that candles, this is we can say fair values. We can say fair values get. So this is very strong support in the price push up. You see here, this time it breaks, and the first time only test this years, but when they build their equity, mean support to be strong support, they have the powers to have the power. You can observe. First time it's not break, it's not break here, just kind of test and then back down to build their equity, because they have fair value gap, they have OB and us support and very strong, yes, very strong. So this still not break here, and then they have the powers to push up and then to retest OB here, you see here, but it still not have power because all these two candles is not strong. To break here, we can break here, yeah, but it's not breaks here. So what the price have to do, the price have to sweep down, you see here, the price have to sweep down at very strong to test support as like a sweep, you see here, sweep. Why? Because there are a lot of buys and sell here, they buy here, so the trail they buy here, but the smart money did not buy here. The smart monies, the smart traders, they buy here, they buy here, they buy around here. Why? Because up sweep down to clean up the trader who buy, to clean up trader who buy, and then the price sweep down, and finally some of the buyers, yeah, some of buyers, their stop loss around here, yeah. The trader is stop loss, example is stop loss around here, and then stop loss around here. So the price is come by down. Some of trader the stop knee here, so the price come back to hit of stop loss SL, yeah, to hit the stop loss, and then the price it push up, yes, because why? Because it's have powers like fuels, like gas, so it gas like push what, push up the buyer to reach here, so the finally they have break here, break here, we can say BO as break up structure. So why the price still come back again, why the price not go like this, not go and breaks? Because they have like strong supply here. Strong supplies is very important, trader. When any price is important, this is like strong supply, so the price have to back again to create fair value. So why the price still have like this? We can say FVG, FVG, FVG. So this FVG. So why not breakdown? Because they have strong here, as like we said previously. So the price will high will low, high will high, high will high, high will high, and high will high. So please take a look here. This area is low, lower low, and also high low. This one, high low. I'm correct, maybe, and then high low, high low. Yeah. So the price not make another new low, lower low, like this. If the price make you lower low, so the trader have to sell around here when the price back here, but it's not. So these areas it become of the strong support, or we can say fair values between these areas between. So why is it this fair values? Because we conclude here this gap fair values because it belongs to here. This gap fair values because we talk only here. So you see here have many three value, and in fair values we have overblock. Yeah, we have overblock, small overblock. Example, overblock. We can say this is also OB. Yes, and also we can say this is OB. Yeah. Sorry, and this is OB. OB what? OB breakups overblock. OB. I mean overblock. Yeah, overblock. So this is OB, and previous one is OB. Yeah, and then this area is also OB. Why? Because one candle, and the final is the bright break off, and then come back again to test OB, and also this one it break after break and come back again. This one we can say OB. So why OB? The meaning OB is mean the price have to retest the strong support and then push up. So when the price break, example, this is OB. This is a swing. This I'm sorry. Swing lows, low below, and also the price push up and back down to test OB. So also they have the answer OB because when the price is small, this candle goes up and then base down, and then they have the block OB here. So one candle here cannot breach. So when the price goes up, they have their ability and then bearish down. So break OB, we can say break up structures. Yeah, I think it's small candles. It's difficult to explain to you, but please you observe the first these ideas. Trader have to know swing high and swing lows, high or highs, high or low, lower low, something like that. So now we talk include around here. So this is of FVG, yeah, FVG because include here, yeah, include here. So finally the price broke. You see here broke by these candles, very strong candles because they have FVG and push up and very strong. And then we can say that they could buy. So this is displacement. This candle is displacement because displacement is the meaning of break the demand here, the meaning of demand. But why it still cannot go up? It just like build a past one, past two. So this is a displacement. I mean, say goodbye from here, but it still have a strong here. Yeah, the price here. So the trader have to understand about candle and also why is price hesitation to go up, because when as long as they have their supply, the price still break here, but they have to come back again to build their own equity to go up again. Because what? Because only one candle cannot push up, so they need their own equity to push up strong, like that. So these videos, I think it is not good picture, but if we I think that is important for the trader who learn of the price action. So I think that is useful. So if you think that this video is a very important for the new trader, so you can subscribe and see you next video. Thanks you. Bye bye.